Hi all, I'm Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java inheritance OOPS concept. So it is very important, okay, for interview. Okay, so let's get started. Java inheritance means we will use subclass and superclass. Okay, in Java it is possible to inherit attribute and method from one class to another. We group the inheritance concept into two categories, subclass and superclass. Subclass means child class and superclass means parent class. Child class, the class that inherits from another class. Parent class is the class being inherited from. Okay. To inherit from a class, we use extend keyword. In the example, you can see that. Okay. So this is our parent class. Okay, so we have created a class with vehicle name, class name, and then we have protected string band at Fort, and we have on one method we have, and we are printing this. Okay, one vehicle, one attribute and one method. Okay, of parent class vehicle. Now here we have a child class. Okay, and here we have used extend vehicle. This is the main thing which we are telling, that it is a subclass which uses extend keyword, and this is parent class name. Okay, and we here also we have a model name. Okay, so this is the attribute. Now we have public static void main method, where we have created an object of parent class, and using the object we are calling the parent class method. Okay, and then we are printing the brand of parent class and model of child class using that object. Let's try it. Okay, so see, first what we are doing, we are putting horn means parent class horn, so this should be printed, so this is printed. Second, first brand food, see, and then model name is printed this. Okay, so like this it works. Okay, let's see. Did you notice protected modifier in vehicle? We set the brand attribute in vehicle to be protected access modifier. If it was set to private, then car class would not able to access it. Okay, if it is useful for code reusability, why we use inheritance, and when code reusability, reuse the attribute and method of an existing class when you create a new class. Okay, so this final class vehicle, so this can't be done because the class is final and we can't change anything or we can't use anything of this class. Okay, if you do not want another class to inherit from a class, we use final keyword. See, this type of error we get it. Okay, we can see here, if you have made this class final, then it can't inherit from final vehicle. So like this it works. This is very important topic, please go through it, and if you have any question, please comment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and do share. Thank you. Bye bye.